Hi everyone, myself Nasrin, currently pursuing BA LLB at Mark Gores College of Law. Here associating with Swastika organization as a project intern on the motion Know Your Rights. So for today, we are going to be dealing with the topic right to get free legal aid service. What is a free legal aid service? According to Article 39 of Indian Constitution, it defines free legal aid. It mandates that free legal aid refers to a legal assistance provided at no cost to individuals who cannot afford to hire a lawyer. It ensures access to justice for those who are facing legal issues but lacking the financial means to pay for legal representation. So now let's look who can provide such free legal aid services. Free legal aid services can be provided by legal aid organization. It can be a non-profitable organization group funded by the government or a private donor. And the next one, that is a public defender. Government appoint attorneys for a low-income individual facing any kinds of criminal charges. And the next one, that is a pro bono lawyer. A pro bono lawyer means a private attorney offering free legal aid services for qualifying a cases. And the next one, that is a law school clinic. Law students supervising by experienced attorneys providing free legal aid support. And the last but not least, the community and non-profitable organization. Groups specializing in the issues like tenants' rights, immigration, and domestic violence can also provide such kinds of free legal aid services. So basically, there are two kinds of branches in the case of law. There are criminal laws as well as the civil law. So now let's look what are the cases that covered under the civil laws. In the case of civil cases, such laws like family law, in the case of divorce, domestic violence, and child custody. In the case of house disputes like eviction, landlord-tenant issues. In the case of employment law like wrongful termination, wage disputes. And in the case of consumer rights too, like fraud, debt, collection, etc. But in the case of criminal cases, the public defenders represent the individuals in criminal cases who cannot afford an attorney. So now let's look what are the eligibility to access a free legal aid service. So if you're a member from a scheduled caste or a scheduled tribe, or a woman or a children, a mentally ill or a disabled person, an insolvent, an industrial woman, an individual in a custody, a person going through tough time like affected by a big disaster or any loss in financial manners, you can approach any kind of free legal aid services. But in the case of income-based eligibility, individuals with an annual income less than the specified amount, that is as mentioned as per the schedule of the higher amount prescribed by the state government, are eligible for free legal aid services if in the case before any court other than the Supreme Court. But if the case before the Supreme Court, that the income threshold is less than 5 lakh rupees. So now let's look how you can access a free legal aid services. So you can access a free legal aid services through local legal aid offices. You can check the online directories or any government website. And you can check through State Bar Association. They may offer free consultation or any kind of referral. Or also you can use any kinds of online legal aid portal like website like Legal Aid Society, lawhelp.org, or government legal aid policies on programs. Want to receive more free information about the free legal aid services, please feel free to contact us. You can contact us through our mail, that is swastika.online@gmail.com. And that's about today. Thank you.